Imagine that you are in the middle of a laparoscopic procedure where every action matters, every second counts. There is no margin for error. The challenge of securing suture deep inside the body. This is where one small innovation make a massive difference. The Roeder's knot, easy, elegant, and effective. This is not just a knot, it's a lifeline in minimally invasive surgery. Today we are diving into the mechanics, the magic, and the mastery behind one of the most trusted knots in the laparoscopic procedures. Whether you are a seasoned surgeon or a curious learner, this teeny twist of thread has a story to tell. Honestly speaking, after tying this knot, you will experience the magic. Before this video, we have uploaded different types of surgeon's knot video. You can watch them through the link in the description. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's get started. The method of placing a Roeder's knot is very simple, and you can also see it in the video. First, you identify the location where you want to place the knot. Commonly in laparoscopic procedures, we place the knot outside the abdomen and then bring it inside to secure the structures like the appendix, cystic artery, or cystic duct. Sometimes we use it to tie off the gallbladder. Suppose you need to place a knot in the appendix with a Roeder's knot. To follow this step, number 1 is create a loop with the suture thread, passing it from outside the abdomen into the cavity and back out. Then number 2 is tie a single knot. Number 3 is wrap the thread end and around the knot in 3 consecutive loops. And the last one, number 4, is pass the thread end through the initial loop and then through the third loop exiting from the outside. Once the thread end is passed through the loop, the Roeder's knot is complete. We will then use a laparoscopic knot pusher to advance the knot into the abdomen and tie off the appendix. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay connected with us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.